It is a polynomial equation with the degree maybe power 3, 4, 5 like that, etc. So it contains multiple roots. So the concept of f of x equal to 0, if alpha is the multiple roots, then f dash alpha equal to 0. So alpha is the root, then f of alpha equal to 0 already we know. If alpha is the equal to alpha is the root, then f of alpha equal to 0. So f of x equal to 0 have some roots. Let us consider alpha is the one of the root, then f of alpha equal to 0. So whatever the root, it must definitely satisfying the given equation. If alpha is the multiple root means alpha repeated 2 times, 3 times like that. How many times we don't know. If it is multiple root, then f dash alpha equal to 0. So alpha is the multiple root, f of alpha equal to 0, f of alpha equal to 0 and f dash alpha equal to 0. If alpha came 2 times, alpha is the root which appeared in 2 times, then these two conditions will be satisfied. If alpha is multiple root with multiplicity 3, multiplicity means came 3 times, multiplicity 3, then f of alpha equal to 0, f dash alpha equal to 0, f double dash alpha equal to 0. So this is the concept. Based on this concept, we will discuss the next concept. So multiple roots. Now, so we will discuss one problem. So second bit, seventh question. Seventh question. If the two equations are given that having multiple roots, we need to find out the multiple roots. First one, x power 4 minus 6x cube minus 6x cube, x power 4 minus 6x cube plus 13x square minus 24x plus 36 equal to 0. So this is the equation. This equation having multiple roots, we need to find out the roots. So let f of x equal to x power 4 minus 6x cube plus 13x square minus 24x plus 36. This is f of x. Now I want to find f dash x. So derivative of f of x. X power 4 differentiation 4x cube. X cube differentiation 3x square. 3 into 6 18 minus 18 x square. X square differentiation 2x. 2 into 13 26x. X differentiation 1 into 24 minus 24. So if alpha is the multiple root, alpha satisfies this equation and this equation also. So I want to check in this trial and error method. F dash 1 trial and error method is nothing but simply I want to substitute 4 minus 18 plus 26 minus 24. So 4 plus 26 is 30 minus 42, not equal to 0. So 1 is not a multiple root. Next, f dash 2 I am checking. If we are checking for 2, 4 of 2 cube minus 18 of 2 square plus 26 of 2 minus 24. 2 cube 8 into 4 32, 4 into 18 72, 26 into 2 52 minus 24. 32 plus 52 84 minus 96. This is also not equal to 0. F dash of 3 I am finding. If you are finding f dash of 3, 4 of 3 cube minus 18 of 3 square plus 26 of 3 minus 24. So 3 cube 27 into 4 108, 3 square 9 into 18 minus 162, 26 into 3 78 minus 24. So 108 78 186 minus 162 minus 24 minus 186 equal to 0. F dash 3 equal to 0. So 3 may be the multiple root. If 3 satisfy f of x, then 3 will come 2 times. So f of 3 I want to find. So if we are doing f of 3, 3 power 4 minus 6 of 3 cube plus 13 of 3 square minus 24 of 3 plus 36. Now 3 power 4 81. 3 cube 3 into 3 9 into 3 27 into 3 81. So 81 into 6. 8 into 6 48. 486. 9 3 square 9 into 13 117 minus 72 plus 36. So 6 plus 7 13 plus 1 14. 6 plus 7 13 plus 1 14. Now one more time I want to check. 3 power 4 3 into 3 9 into 3 27 into 3 81. So this is the equation. 3 power 4 minus 6 of 3 cube plus 13 of 3 square minus 24 into 3 plus 36. 3 power 4 3 into 3 9 into 3 27 into 3 81. 3 into 3 9 into 3 27 into 6. So this went wrong. So 162. So 1 plus 7 8 plus 6 14. 9 plus 1 10. 10 plus 3 13. 1 plus 1 2. So minus 162 minus 234. 234 minus 234 0. Therefore x equal to 3 is a multiple root. X equal to 3 is a multiple root. Now I want to take the quotients. 1. I want to apply synthetic division method. 1 minus 6 13 minus 24 36. X equal to 3. Initially we should take 0. 1 plus 0 1. 3 into 1 3 minus 6 plus 3 minus 3. 3 into minus 3 minus 9. 13 minus 9 4. 3 into 4 12 minus 24 plus 12 minus 12. 3 into minus 12 minus 36. 36 minus 36 0. Again x equal to 3 0. 1 plus 0 1. 3 into 1 3 minus 3 plus 3 0. 3 into 0 0. 4 plus 0 4. 3 into 4 12 minus 12 plus 12 0. This is constant x square. X square plus 4 equal to 0. X square equal to minus 4. X equal to root of minus 4 equal to plus or minus 2i. Therefore roots are 3 comma plus or minus 2i. So this is the required solution. So next second one, second equation. Second equation 3x power 4 plus 16x cube plus 24x square minus 16 equal to 0. So this is the equation. I want to take this is f of x. F of x equal to 3x power 4 plus 16x cube plus 24x square minus 16. F dash x equal to differentiation. X power 4 differentiation 4x cube. 4 into 3 12x cube. X cube differentiation 3x square. 3 into 16 48x square. X square differentiation 2x. 2 into 24 48x. 16 constant differentiation 0. In this I want to take 12 comma in all x comma, then x square. If we are taking 12 for x, so if we are taking same 4, so 12x, this one x square plus 2 into x into 2 plus 2 square. So 4x I can write as 2 into 2 4x plus 2 square 4. So 12x, this is x plus 2 whole square. So the factors of f dash of x is x equal to 0, x plus 2 is nothing but minus 2. So here therefore f dash of 0 equal to 0, f dash of minus 2 equal to 0. So either 0 or minus 2 are factors of this one. But here it is constant, 0 is not factor. So I want to check about minus 2. F of minus 2 equal to, f of minus 2 equal to, just I want to substitute in this 12 of minus 2 whole cube not 12, this equation f of minus 2, 3 of minus 2 whole power 4 plus 16 of minus 2 whole cube plus 24 of minus 2 whole square minus 16. Square of power 4 of negative positive 2 power 4 16 into 3 48 minus cube minus 2 cube 2 into 2 into 2 8 16 into 8 128. Next minus square plus 2 square 4 4 into 24 96 minus 16. So 48 plus 96 equal to 144 minus 128 minus 16 minus 144 equal to 0. So therefore x equal to minus 2 is multiple roots. So here what I am taking coefficients 3 16 24 no x coefficient 0 minus 16. X equal to what is the multiple root? Minus 2 0 3 plus 0 3 initially we are taking 0 adding 3 plus 0 3 minus 2 into 3 minus 6 16 minus 6 10 minus 2 into 10 minus 20 24 minus 20 4 minus 2 into 4 minus 8 0 minus 8 minus 8 minus 2 into minus 8 plus 16 minus 16 plus 16 0. Again x equal to minus 2 0 3 plus 0 3. Next minus 2 into 3 minus 6. Next 10 minus 6 4 minus 2 into 4 minus 8 4 minus 8 minus 4 minus 2 into minus 4 plus 8 0. So already we knew that f dash of x x plus 2 whole square. So again we are getting minus 2 x equal to minus 2 0 3 plus 0 3 minus 2 into 3 minus 6 4 minus 6 minus 2 minus 2 into minus 2 plus 4 minus 4 plus 4 0. So 3x minus 2 equal to 0 x equal to 2 by 3. Therefore roots are minus 2 minus 2 minus 2 2 by 3. Next third bit sixth question. Third bit sixth question. The equation is 8x cube minus 20x square 8x cube minus 20x square 8x cube minus 20x square plus 6x plus 9 equal to 0. 6x plus 9 equal to 0. So this is the equation. We need to find out the multiple roots. 8x cube minus 20x square plus 6x plus 9 equal to 0. Now f of x equal to 8x cube minus 20x square plus 6x plus 9. This equation containing 3 roots. In these 3 roots, at least one of the root is repeated. So f dash x differentiation. So x cube differentiation 3x square 3 into 8 24x square x square 2x 2 into 20 40x x differentiation 1 6. So the factors of this one definitely root of this one, multiple root of this one. So make which is equal to 0. 24x square minus 40x plus 6 equal to 0. 2 common bringing outside. 12x square minus 20x plus 3 equal to 0. 12 into 3 36. 18 into 2 36. 12x square minus 18x minus 2x plus 3 equal to 0. So in this 6x common 2x minus 3 minus 1 common 2x minus 3 equal to 0. 2x minus 3 or 6x minus 1 equal to 0. Either x equal to 3 by 2 or x equal to 1 by 6. So in these two, one is root. So definitely x equal to 3 by 2, because here if we are cubing, we are getting 8 getting cancelled. So I want to check f of 3 by 2. So already this 3 by 2 satisfying this equation, 1 by 6 is also satisfying equation. If 3 by 2 satisfying f of x, then 3 by 2 is the multiple root. So 8 of 3 by 2 whole cube minus 20 of 3 by 2 whole square plus 6 of 3 by 2 plus 9. So 8 into 3 cube 27, 2 cube 8 minus 20 into 3 square 9, 2 square 4 plus 2 into 1 2 into 3, 3 into 3 9 plus 9. So 8 cancel, 4 into 1 4 into 5, 27 minus 45, 9 plus 9 18. So 18 plus 27 45 minus 45 equal to 0. Therefore x equal to 3 by 2 is a multiple roots. So I want to take the quotients here. 8 minus 20 6 9. X equal to 3 by 2. Initially 0. 8 plus 0 8. First divide, later multiply. 8 by 2 4. 4 into 3 12. Minus 20 plus 12 minus 8. Plus into minus minus. 8 by 2 4. 4 into 3 12. 6 minus 12 minus 6. Plus into minus minus. 6 by 2 3. 3 into 3 9. 9 minus 9 0. One more time, x equal to 3 by 2 0. 8 plus 0 8. 8 by 2 4. 4 into 3 12. 12 minus 8 4. 4 by 2 2. 2 into 3 6 0. So what we got? 8x we got 8x plus 4 equal to 0. 8x equal to minus 4, x equal to minus 4 by 8 equal to minus 1 by 2. Therefore roots are 3 by 2, 3 by 2, minus 1 by 2. So this is the solution. Next question, third bit, fifth question. So third bit, fifth, first one. So in this equation, x power 5 minus 5x cube minus plus 5x square minus 1. So three roots are equal. X power 5 minus 5x cube plus 5x square minus 1 equal to 0. In this equation, three roots are equal. We need to find out all the roots. Let us consider f of x equal to x power 5 minus 5x cube plus 5x square minus 1. F dash x equal to, so x power 5 differentiation 5x power 4, x cube differentiation 3x square, 3 into 5 15x square, x square differentiation 2x, 2 into 5 10x, constant differentiation 0. Next f double dash x I want to find. Because three roots are equal, multiple roots, three multiple roots, so we need to do f double dash. F of x, f dash x, f double dash x, all will satisfy. F power 4, 4x cube, 4 into 5, 20x cube, x square 2x, 2 into 15 minus 30x, x square, x differentiation 10. So if we observe 20 plus 10, 30 minus 30, 0. F double dash 1 equal to 20 minus 30 plus 10. 20 minus 30 plus 10 equal to 0. Now I want to substitute in f dash 1 in this 5 of 1 power 4 minus 15 of 1 square plus 10 of 1. So 5 minus 15 plus 10 equal to this is also equal to 0. F of 1 power 5 minus 5 of 1 cube plus 5 of 1 square minus 1. 1 minus 5 plus 5 minus 1. 1 cancel, 5 cancel, 0. Therefore 1 is multiple root. So 1 is multiple root. I want to take the coefficients. Harner method I want to apply. Coefficients. First x power 5 1, x power 4 no 0, x cube minus 5, x square 5, x 0 minus 1. 1 0. 1 plus 0 1, 1 into 1 1, 0 plus 1 1, 1 into 1 1, minus 5 plus 4 1, minus 4, 1 into minus 4, minus 1, 5 minus 4 1, 1 into 1 1, 0 plus 1 1, 1 into 1 1, minus 1 plus 1 0, 0. Again x equal to 1, 1 plus 0 1, 1 into 1 1, 1 plus 1 2, 1 into 2 2, minus 4 plus 2 minus 2, 1 into minus 2 minus 2, 1 minus 2 minus 1, 1 into minus 1 minus 1, 1 minus 1 0. Again x equal to 1, 0, 1 plus 0 1, 1 into 1 1, 2 plus 1 3, 1 into 3 3, minus 3 minus 2 plus 3 1, 1 into 1 1 0. So x square plus 3x plus 1 equal to 0, a equal to 1, b equal to 3, c equal to 1. X equal to minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac by 2a minus 3 plus or minus under root b square 9 minus 4 into 1 into 1 by 2 into 1. So minus 3 plus or minus 9 minus 5 4 root 5 by. So roots are 1 1 1. Roots 1 1 1 minus 3 plus or minus root 5 by